Alright YouTube, today we'll be doing the chain cleaning on my 2017 Yamaha FZ10. Season is coming up, so I want to make sure that the chain is nice and clean. As you can hear right now, it's making a lot of noise while spinning. We'll fix that. So this is the stuff that I'll be using, chain wax, and then carb choke and parts cleaner, the actual brush, and then some gloves. Keep your hands clean. Got some extra. I usually don't use this one, but I'm gonna give it a try. I used to use it as a electronics cleaner, but I ran out. And then also for the lube and clean wax, I used to use this one here. But there's still a little bit of left, but I'll try the chain wax. I got this one off of a website, motorsports.com. So, let's get going. Alright, so first thing I want to do is actually clean out my my brush. You don't have to do this, but I just do it, just for the heck of it. Alright, let's get to cleaning. You spray the chain while moving the tire. I use this to clean it. Now the brush. Brush is pretty dirty. Keep moving the brush up and down until the chain is pretty clean. Flip it to the other side. Keep working at the chain. Now once I think the chain is actually clean, I just grab a dirty rag or something, like I have one laying here on the ground. I usually put it underneath just to clean, to make sure to protect the ground. Next thing is just go over the chain with the dirty rag. So it's kind of same thing, spin the tire. I can already tell this helped. It's not making as much noise. It was pretty dry. Okay, once you think the chain is actually looking good, check the slack, make sure that's good. Now some people actually do it only, they spray it only from the inside, but I do it from inside and the outside. So, and I do it right here where this there's a hole. The tire is not in the way, nothing is in the way, because this stuff will get on your tire and your everywhere, and it's not easy to clean. Quick and easy. Now we do the same thing on the back. This will get a little messy. Pretty easy. Now it's just a cleanup work. Here's my FZ10. Next time we'll do this guy.